I intend to age gracefully with mobility and the ability to manage myself. Hi, I'm Immy. I'm 50 this year. I'm a very active person who enjoys a lot of exercise, and I do a lot of different exercises such as K-pop X fitness, Zumba, HIIT, Tabata. So last year when I was 49, I was having a lot of joint problems. It started having a lot of cracking sounds, and it was throughout the day, not just for a while. So that got me very worried, and I decided to see a doctor. But the doctor told me he can't do anything about it and just to accept it because it's part of aging and part of life. And I was quite disappointed because I'm only 50, there are many more years to go, and I intend to age gracefully with mobility and the ability to manage myself and continue with my exercises, staying active. So since he didn't recommend any supplement or did not prescribe anything, I decided to do my own research, and I went to Facebook and a few websites to look for something that I can take as a supplement. So while I was scrolling through, I came across Livestream. They recommended this silica. It has very good ingredients. It's supposed to support bone density. Okay, this is one of the problems with women as we age. Osteoporosis is one of the most damaging problem that we can have, fractures and all that. And it happened to my mom when she fell down, and she actually broke her hip and had to go for surgery and insert a screw on her hip. So I decided to give it a try, and after about a month, I realized my hair fall is also lesser. I was very happy with the result. I really enjoy all my exercises, so it would be very devastating if I could not continue. So I'm really happy that with these two products currently, I really have no problem. I can continue to do a lot of flexible kind of movements as well. So I'm very thankful for that.
Labo, the best or nothing.